Hello everyone, I'm in Emaar Beachfront with the latest project update. As you can see, there are a couple of upcoming buildings. Marina Vista is here. We have Sunrise Bay, which is almost ready, and Beach Vista, which is almost ready. And then other plots are under construction. And this is where Marina Sands will come up. Oh, the sound of waves at the back of the video are making a beautiful noise. And as you can see there, that side we have Dubai Eye, and we have beautiful and gorgeous Marina Skyline. And if you notice, when you step down to your building, you have direct access to the beach. It's very relaxing. The weather is here in the summer, but I'm just walking on the beach and enjoying the time. So every apartment from the front will have beautiful sea, this yacht parkings, and Dubai Marina Skyline. Any higher floor apartment at the back will have Palm Jumeirah, which is at the back, and sea view. It's kind of magical moment right now.